Hello guys, welcome to all of you. So in this video we will be covering up how to identify long-term trends using technical analysis. Most of the people think that technical analysis is used for short-term trades. So or using trading intraday or some like swing trading which like stock is held for at around 2 to 4 months. But people don't know like using price action behavior we can identify trends and we can identify the patterns like that how the business is evolving in a way before that actually it starts. So let me take some example before we get started. So this is the article which I have written recently. So in this article, like I have pointed out how to identify long-term trends. So if we want to identify long-term trends, we have to analyze the stock in larger time frame. By larger time frame, I mean we have to identify in a daily, weekly, and monthly. So that is the only way we can understand the price action behavior, how the market participants are acting in the charts. And we have to give more weightage to higher time frame. We have to see the breakouts which are formed on weekly and monthly charts. Plus, to confirm the long-term trends, we have to check the financials of the company, which is very much important. If we are taking a position, first of all, our position could be speculative, but in a long term, if we want to hold a stock, we should check the financials of the company. If the financials are also supporting our trend analysis, then we should hold on the stock and we should keep our profit run. So let's take an example of a stock. So first of all, I want to discuss Reliance Industries. So let's take Reliance Industries. So I have currently pointed out Reliance Industries in a weekly chart. So we have taken a very long time frame. So here, as you can see, the time frame started from 2009 to 2017. So here in this time frame, we can see the Reliance Industries was continuously like range bound. It was range bound between 600 to around 300. So the stock didn't perform much, but on the onset of 2017, when the Reliance Jio news came, like Reliance, how much Reliance has invested in the company and how Reliance is planning to launch its plan, the market participant became very aggressive and they aggressively started buying the stock. And after that, like we know how the stock acted and rest is history. And we have seen like in the past a lot of stocks do act like the same way. They remain range bound for a large time frame. The time frame can be as small as 1 year, also 1 year 6 months, but the larger the time frame, the larger will be the growth of the story, because this time frame is the time frame in which the company do their investment. They plan for their future production capacity. So see here, Reliance breakdown, and we can also analyze this in a monthly time frame, which will give much more clarity. It's very important to give a much more weightage to the monthly and weekly charts. Daily charts maybe have some noises which we cannot figure it out properly, but the weekly and monthly charts will remove those. And see, like here in the weekly time frame and monthly time frame, we had another consolidation and another like range bound movement for the stock, and where like Reliance also took its support recently. See, this is a range bound movement between 860 to around 995. Okay, so here this breakout which happened last time. The bottom of that breakout, Reliance took support recently also. See, Reliance took recent support of 860. So this is the pattern which we can help us to identify the trends. So let's check the financials. So I am checking the time as of 2017. So in 2017 to 2018 something good happened in the company. So let's check in the financials if that thing is supporting or not. So I have opened the Screener website. So let's see the results of the Reliance Industries. So I have taken the consolidated results because Reliance Jio will be part of a subsidiary, then only we can understand the results. So see, in the 2017, early in 2017, Reliance Jio was reporting around 83,000, then 91,000, 99,000, and see there is a huge jump in just 4 quarters. There is a huge jump in revenue, and also the operating profit. So using this we can understand that something is happening in the company. The company is performing, either the company is taking the market share of other companies, or the company has launched something in there behind. So in this time we know that Reliance Jio was investing in their Reliance was investing in the Jio, and they were like just starting with the Jio platform. And see how beautifully the revenue has shot up. So revenue is just shooting up till now, also is growing, and the profit just nearly doubled in last 3 years. The profit just nearly doubled. So that is why the stock is running like anything. So using the long term trend analysis and technical analysis, we can understand like how to identify early breakouts and take a position in them. So then let's take another example of a stock. Let's take example of Havells. So see, in Havells also we know that the stock is in radar for most of the investors. And if we check the charts of the Havells in weekly time frame, we see that Havells was also range bound for a large time frame. From 2017 to 2014 to 2016, the stock didn't perform anything. The stock was completely range bound between the 240 to 315. So but here in early 2016, the stock started breaking out, and there was a good breakout, but again the breakout didn't perform well, and then again the stock took a support of last resistance, which became a support, and then stock nearly doubled from that price. So from 350 the stock went till 800 rupees. So let's check the financials of the company in 2017 to 2018. Again I am taking consolidated results here because that's important. We should have to take consideration of everything for the company. 2017 we have to take, right? You see, for the Havells, the company has not performed anything for a large number, like from 2009 to around from 2012 to 2016. The company was not performing anything. The company financials were like mostly like range bound 7,000 to 8,000, and company was not performing well. But after onset of 2017, the company started posting very good results. See, the operating profit of the company from 700 range, it started performing very good. It turned to 800, and then 980, and then also increased very heavily. So let's check another stock, Titan. So here in Titan also we can see like Titan has given a very fantastic wealth. Titan has been a fantastic wealth creation for every investor out there. But see, for the Titan also, the stock was range bound from 2014 to 2018, and again like after 2017 it gave a good breakout with heavy volumes, and then again the stock doubled from 400 to stock double to tripled in just span of 2.5 to 3 years. If we check the financials of Titan, so we have to check for 2018, 2017 to 2018 time frame, 2017 to 2018 for time frame. Okay, so see in the 2017 we can easily check the quarterly results because it's available. So the company was posting around 4,000 crore profit, which didn't change in 2014 2017, but company operating margin improved a lot from 364 crore profit. It started posting 482, and which keep still like it's increasing. So here we can easily see the trend. The company is able to grow, and if we check the net profit, the profit is also increasing. So that is the only way we can understand the trend in a stock in early, because like if we keep on figuring out the stock just by using the financials, it will be very difficult. So therefore like technical analysis can help you to grab the opportunity early and hold on your profits for a longer time frame. I hope like this video has been helpful to you, and for the other things I have discussed one more few examples in my this article. You can read it. I have taken example of AstraZeneca, how this company turned from loss making to profit making, and the stock also doubled. And I have also taken example of Webber Global, which you can see recently like the stock is also performing very well, and in fact like I believe that company will post fantastic results. So we have to watch out for the Webber Global also. So that is the way we can understand about how to invest and how to be more productive in investing. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment box. I will be happy to answer, and I will be also pointing out, I will be also keeping a link of my this article if you in case you want to visit it and grab a reference for it. So thank you guys for tuning in. Bye bye.